We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material.
Hey everyone, today we are in Yosemite. You can see the big old cliffs behind us. We decided to go hiking this weekend, so we took a drive. We drove last night, got in late, got a room, and came out here. So it's about noon now, and we are starting our hike.
Yeah, so we're gonna be hiking up the Yosemite Falls. It's about a 7-mile round trip hike at 2,600 elevation climb.
Yeah, so if you look at our other video when we did Zion, that one was a little bit longer of a hike, but not as high. So it was a shorter distance, but higher height. So we are climbing more this time.
Yeah, and the weather's cooler than Zion. So right now it's about about 50 degrees. So by the time we get up there, it'll probably be around like 20. Yeah. I don't know.
And it's just it's daylight savings time right now. We're at the beginning of November, so the sun will be setting around 5 p.m.
Yeah.
So we gotta get up there.
Hopefully we'll get by the time we get up there, it'll be sunset. We might get like a really beautiful view. So all right, let's get this show on the road. Let's go.
Hiking's hard.
Let's go.
And Mike is here.
Yeah, Micah's here. This guy. Hey, this guy. Camp are we at?
We can totally get in there and steal other food.
What camp are we at?
I don't know. Wrong camp.
Wrong camp.
Wrong camp.
Keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back.
Hey everyone. We've been hiking for about half an hour now. Almost. And here's our view behind us.
So if you look up here, you can actually see the half dome.
Behind my full dome.
Yeah.
Right.
It's pretty
there.
cool. Yeah, it's getting warmer because we're moving, and yeah, only because we're moving, because it's still not like super hot or anything. And it's pretty shady so far, so the sun's not like blaring down on us.
Yeah. We haven't
Not
we haven't left the tree line yet, so we're still walking through the trees.
The tree line.
But it's been pretty much a switchback, so the trail going back and forth up the hill,
Yeah.
like rocky stairs the whole way, so.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Can't wait to see the top.
In the spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world. The things that fade away, yet we keep coming back.
So we're still climbing. We just passed a group of hikers, and they said that it would take, that we're about 2 hours away. I don't think so. But look at this view. Amazing. How you guys feeling back there?
Tired.
Where's Superman? Come on.
I'm ready to rage.
We're raging. It's a good climb. I like it. My butt's a little sore from yesterday, but it's like double Stairmaster here.
We're an hour and a half into our hike now. We've hiked a while. We went up, it came down, and now we have to go
I don't want to go up. Do we go up?
to the top of the fall, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep. Okay, so we're going to the top of the fall up here. Here it is.
Where are we going?
Hey. I'm not sure how that's gonna work.
Yeah, I don't.
We're probably going up this little side thing on the side here.
Yeah. No, we do it is to the top of the falls.
Really?
Yeah. So we have a technical difficulty. This might impede our progress.
Yeah.
I feel like when you play Oregon Trail when you're a kid and some weird thing goes wrong, and then like little Susie dies of dysentery. But here we go.
Oh. Hello.
That might be an issue.
How are you? You need like a rope or...
I thought these were good Italian hiking boots.
I know. You know what? I think the narrows fucked it up.
The water.
Yeah.
But still.
It feels the same.
So we're gonna keep going up.
This is really different.
So check it out. We use Sarah's shoelace to wrap around the sole to hold it on for now.
Yeah. Let's see how far I can go. Because we didn't come here for nothing.
So if you want to buy Sarah's boots, we'll put a link in the description where you can get your very own convertible boots. What do you call them when the sole falls off?
Gently used.
Gently used.
Of things we know.
Still climbing?
Almost there. Like I said, once we hit the trees, we're good.
So what's going on, babe? How come you're...
So
Why don't you have
I went for this
a shoe on?
I went for this really big step, and then all of a sudden my left calf cramped up like really bad, and now my entire left leg is immobile.
So we're
Keep doing it, babe. Oh god.
still cramping.
Yes.
Yeah. So we are towards the top of the trail. So we're like almost like 90% of the way there. And the sun's setting, it's getting dark and cold. We have almost the whole way to walk back, and Sarah can barely
Move my left leg.
move her leg.
Yeah. So Micah went up to grab some pics for us, and then as soon as I can walk, we're gonna start climbing down. It just wasn't meant to be. Come back next time. Can you just massage me, please? It hurts.
Eat more bananas. Drink more water. Sarah decided to carry on. She's half cramping all the time, but we're almost to the top.
We had about half a mile left, so I was like, I gotta finish this with my defunct shoe and cramped up all body, and I'm a mess right now.
So we get there, we're only halfway there because we gotta walk all the way back.
Yeah, but it's okay. The main purpose of this was to complete it, so.
Hello.
So I call them up, and they're like, "Oh, well, that's the point. It's almost here."
Oh, here's our view from the top.
We made it.
King of the mountain.
We made it to the top of Upper Yosemite Falls. Yeah, I was determined to get up here with all the issues I had. I did it.
You did it. You have to get back down.
Now it's getting back down.
The sun is now setting on our adventure. Getting colder and darker. And it's only gonna get colder and darker.
Treacherous AF.
Yep. It's now officially dark. Now it's an adventure. So we finally made it down. It is 7:45 and it's dark and there's stars out, and yeah.
So we did 7 miles.
It's like hits your headlights. It.
So we did
That's
7
the right way.
miles.
I don't know.
I feel like it's not.
You can get a map.
No, because I remember coming up this way and seeing that. There was a trail that way. See, we almost got ourselves lost. There's a trail over here. Here, I'm gonna try this out. We found it. We found it. All right, so we did 7 miles, 2,600 elevation climb, and messed up shoe, and 2 crab legs, and no water left.
Water.
Oh, I have no water left. That was fun. I actually really enjoyed it, other than all the mishaps, but it was quite the adventure. And this is our first time actually hiking in the dark. Luckily, Micah has a headlamp, and we're also using our cell phones to get us down. And we are officially down. It was quite the adventure, guys. Honestly, I don't regret it. I really don't. This is part of life. This is part of my life's adventures. And it's part of life's adventures. So I'm glad to be able to experience this with Frank and Micah. They really took care of me. It's time for some beer and food.
Made it. Survived. We're back in civilization now. Barely.
Okay, so it's 10 o'clock. It's like a small town, so everything's closed. So we found a bar. There's beer. So we're here enjoying our treats.
Beer is worse. Don't ever drink it.
It's okay. Well, we all have different beers actually. I have the Mother Earth Syntax, which is like a brown
Butter.
Can't stout. I can't read.
I have Old Rasputin, which is it's a stout, but on nitro, so there's a little creaminess to it.
You mean
I have Liquid Painkiller.
quick painkiller?
It has a barley wine.
Wait, which one is it?
It's like 12% alcohol.
Yeah, that's painkiller for sure. That's painkiller for sure. Yeah, so we did it. I'm gonna go back to the room after this and just knock out.
Party like rock stars.
Yeah, in bed. I mean, not with him, but I actually want to hop in our jacuzzi. A big ass tub that fits 5 people.
I would, but I'm afraid I won't be able to get out if I get in there. I'll be sleeping there the night.
Yeah. Hot tub. It is a hot tub. It's a jacuzzi.
Yeah, it's fine. I won't climb out once I get in.
Yeah, you don't have to climb out. You can sleep in there.
Sleep in there?
Yeah. Keep cycling. No more water.
Alright, so what's the next hike? What's the next hike?
No more. Right. I can't think of another hike, no.
I'm pretty sure.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, we'll talk about this in a couple of weeks.
Don't be a bitch, Frank.
Shoot.